Morning students. So now we come to the end of this chapter. The last topic is linguistic diversity. Before that, we learned about different types of diversities like linguistic diversity, religious, cultural, geographical. Now it comes to the end, that is the unity in diversity. Now India is the very vast country. The second most populous country of the world. Now we know that here in India we have all are united. United means we all are Indians. In spite of that, lot of religions are followed here. Lot of languages are followed here. Including eating habits are different. Dresses are also different. In spite of all these differences, they all are living peacefully and harmoniously together. That's why it is known as unity in diversity. Diversity means different. They are different in their religion, they may be different from their religion, language, dress, or anything. But still they all are Indians. We are not united from now only. Now during the freedom struggle, Britishers, that Britishers ruled India for more than 200 years. And when the freedom struggle started, all of them participated. Not only that only particular caste people or particular religion people participated. No. People from all front, from every religion, whether Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, or you can say that other religion form, Jains, Buddhists, even men, women, all participated together for the freedom of India. So that is goes to our unity in diversity. Now, in this, there is a topic is given Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. What do you mean by massacre? Massacre means when people are killed in a large number. When people are killed in a large number, it is known as massacre. Now this is Jallianwala Bagh. It was a peaceful protest. In a Bagh, thousands of people got together. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, everybody got together, and they peacefully were protesting against the British rule. At that time, one general from British, and his name was General Dyer, he ordered firing, and hundreds of people died in that Bagh because it was a covered area. No one could run away or escape, so they were shot dead, and hundreds of people died. Still, now we can't say that only particular religion people were there. No, all of them were together. Now in the freedom struggle, if you see that our leaders, freedom fighters, they are also from different part. For example, like Surendranath Banerjee, he was from Bengal. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he was from Maratha, he was a Marathi. Mahatma Gandhi ji, he was from Gujarat. So all of these leaders, they are belonging from the different regions, but they all came together for the struggle for freedom, for our freedom. Now, many poems and phrases has been written by different people. For example, that also bring a patriotism in our feeling. So like Sare Jahan Se Acha, it was written by Shri Kalam sir, and it was written in Urdu. Whereas our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, it was written by Rabindranath Tagore, and it was in Bengali. So this all brings some patriotic feelings among the Indians. So we can't say that only a particular religion or a particular caste or a particular person has done everything. No, all of them got together and fought for the freedom of India. And with this, we come to the end of the chapter. And I told you before that unity in diversity. This was a phrase given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The phrase unity in diversity was given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. Now, along with this video, I will send you a pic of the objectives. You have to complete it, and you have to complete it in your classwork notebook. Okay.